Hi everyone, welcome back. It's Nail Fluff here, and we are here with day 2 of our 12 days of Christmas. And today I'm just gonna freestyle for you guys and create this cute abstract design inspired by Christmas, but inspired by life in this whole year. So follow along as I take you on this journey of this freestyle set. Today I'm gonna be using the brand Après gel extensions. These are honestly my favorite nail enhancement to use. The system is super easy and it really works well on your natural nails. The nails that you see here have already been prepped, cuticles have been cut, and they're cleaned and ready to go. So we're starting with our Gel X system, and we are applying dehydrator as well as a nail primer. This all helps to make sure that we have a great adhesion and our nails stay on for a long time. We want to make sure our nails last. Once we're prepped and primed, we're going to apply a thin layer of the Extend Gel to the natural nails, all 10 nails, and we're going to cure this for 30 seconds in our LED UV light. So in this shot here, you can see a close-up of me applying the Gel X tip to the nail. So we're using a wet Extend Gel so it's not cured. We're applying it to the tip and the natural nail, pressing down at the cuticle and slowly pressing down to the tip to make sure that there's no air bubbles inside of your nail. Flash cure for 10 seconds. Once you flash cure each nail and all the tips are applied, go ahead and insert the whole hand into the lamp for 60 seconds in an LED UV lamp. File and shape your nails. Make sure to remove the shine. Ugh, look at that dry, dusty look. I love it. Next, once our tips are applied, cured, shaped, and cleaned off, we're going to apply 2 coats of our base color polish. This polish that I'm using is a Medusa color, and I believe the color is MU Pale. I'll have everything linked in the description box, you guys. But this brand is amazing. It's vegan, tin-free, cruelty-free, and it cures beautifully. So we're gonna do 2 thin coats of this polish before we get started on our design. So now that I have my base layers, I want to create some cute abstract art. So we're doing all 10 nails and we're just going crazy. I had a little bit of inspo from another nail tech's picture, but I really didn't know what the final look was going to be. I was just kind of going for it, and that's really what the true meaning of a freestyle set is. I'm still using the Medusa gel polishes, which come in a pot. They're super controllable and they don't move around a lot, so when you're doing art like this where you're doing different layers and colors and shapes, it really is a great polish to have that control without it moving around and ruining your design. Are you catching a little animal print inspo? I think I might. So, if you're a nail tech and you do freestyle sets, what is it that you think about while you're freestyling? Please send me the answer in the comments. I'd love to know. What do you think about while you're freestyling? Do you think about your next move or what design you're going to create? Or are you thinking about something completely different that has nothing to do with nails? I know that sometimes my mind kind of goes all over the place. So let's have a conversation. Please comment and let me know what goes through your mind while you're freestyling. For me, it's so therapeutic. It's so satisfying to just rewatch me create this art and think about life, man. Life can get pretty deep, so that's what art is all about. And when you're an artist, it's about creating and expressing your creativity, and I'm all here for it. So talk to me, you guys. Let's start this narrative. If you haven't already yet, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I'd love for you to be a part of my family and to watch me continue to grow. There's more videos coming, and we still have about 10 days left of Christmas videos, so please subscribe. I hope you enjoyed watching along as I freestyled this beautiful set. We're going to apply 2 top coats of our Après Gel X top coat just to ensure that our design is locked in, honey. We're all set. Check out my final design. And again, thank you guys so much for watching. It's day 2 of 12 Days of Christmas. Stay tuned for day 3. Please be sure to subscribe and follow me on Instagram. Bye!